Good morning. I'm Shaolin Jahan Choa, Department of Law and Human Rights, 9th batch. At first, I want to thank my honorable course teacher, Mr. Niladri Paik sir, for highly cooperating us in this situation. So today, I am going to discuss about the concept of rule of law in Bangladesh. So welcome to my presentation. The concept of rule of law is opposed to the concept of rule of man. The primary meaning of rule of law is that the ruler and the ruled must be bound by the same law, and there shall no separate law for the ruler. Now I'll discuss about short history. The foundation of rule of law is Magna Carta. At past, the kings claimed themselves as the representative of God and claimed themselves to be above of law. And then they used arbitrary power. For this reason, the landowners and between the King John, there arose a conflict. And after all, ultimately, the landowner compelled the king to accept Magna Carta, which can be said as Bill of Rights or Bill of Human Rights. Now I'll discuss about the Professor Dicey's theory of rule of law. He was the first person who used the phrase rule of law in his book, The Law of the Constitution in 1885. He used three main concepts. These are, number one, absence of arbitrary power. He meant that in rule of law there must absence of arbitrary power. That means no one can use arbitrary power, and people will be punished if they breach any law, not otherwise. The second point is equality before law. Article 27 of the Constitution of People's Republic also contains this thing. So here he said that no one will be above of law, and there shall be one law for everyone, and there shall be no separate court, no special court or administrative tribunal. The third point is Constitution is the result of the ordinary law, and he said that the Constitution shall contain all the necessary laws, and there shall no separate law for the state officials. His concept get much criticism. Now I'll discuss about this. For example, in first one he said that there shall be no arbitrary or discretionary power. Actually, he failed to trace the difference between arbitrary and discretionary power. As we know, we have in our country the judges have discretionary power. Our ministers, then other executive bodies also have discretionary power, and discretionary power is actually very important. But he failed to trace the difference. The second one, he said everyone shall get the equal law. But in our country, we can see that our president is immune from criminal cases. Then our ministers, other member of parliament also have some immunity in some matter. And we have administrative tribunal, we have a special court like juvenile court, martial court, like that. Actually, these things are necessary, but his concept is totally against this. Then he said that there shall be, in constitution, all laws shall be stated, but actually it is not possible. So as we know that we have many laws against that, but we also have some laws in our constitution which ensures rule of law in Bangladesh. These are, first of all, our preamble. We know that our preamble have 5 paragraphs, and in the third paragraph it is clearly stated that in our country the rule of law will be ensured. Then our Article 27 state about the equality before law. Article 31 of our constitution state about the protection of law. Part 3 of our constitution ensures 18 fundamental rights, and our Article 44 of our Constitution ensures these rights. And if anyone violates these rights, we have provisions in Article 102. Then our Article 7 also ensures the supremacy of our Constitution, and Article 26 says that if any law is made against the Constitution, that would be void. So these are the provisions which ensures the rule of law in Bangladesh. We have some provisions which are contrary to the rule of law, like independence of judiciary, provisions of preventive detention, provisions of Article 70, then provisions for ordinance making, emergency provisions, administrative tribunal, etc. So these things are contrary to rule of law. So that's all, my honorable teacher. So if you have any question, you can ask through Viva. Thank you so much, sir. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day, sir.